Okay, so Varney the villager is crafting tools to sell to Minecraft adventurers who may visit his village. He can make axes and swords. So what's going to be our X and Y? Axes and swords. Very good, class. Okay, so axes is going to be X and swords is going to be Y. Okay, each axe requires 2 sticks and 3 iron ingots, while each sword requires 1 stick and 2 iron ingots. Varney has 16 sticks in total and 26 iron ingots available. He can sell axes for 8 emeralds and a sword for 5 emeralds. Okay, so sword and axe. Axe and sword. Okay, everything that you see that's in yellow goes with axes, right? Everything you see in green goes with the sword. Now, when we write out our constraints, we're going to put all of the sticks together and the iron ingots together because these are the totals, right? So these are the 2 separate inequalities. So these are the variables, so axes and swords. And then for your constraint, you're going to say 2 sticks plus 1 stick. So 2x plus 1y, and we're going to say is less than or equal to 16. We're going to say 3 and 2. 3x plus 2y is less than or equal to 26. You cannot have negative ingots and you can't swords and axes be negative. So we're going to have greater than 0, greater than 0. Ta-da! You don't get that? Okay. Okay. The next part is that you're going to graph them on Desmos. What'd you get?
6, 1.
Okay.
4, 3,
Okay.
8, 1, 6, 7.
Okay, pause. 0, 13. And what else?
8, 6, 7. 8, 4, 7.
Everybody else get these, or do I need to check? Take it. Ooh. Okay, so I don't trust any of y'all. Cool. This is why we can't have nice things. All right, give me the inequality. Say words again. Okay. 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 That what you got? So you should have gotten 6, 4, 8, 0, 0, 0. Yep. You can. I just was being lazy. Yeah. So 0, 0, 8, 0, 13, 0, 13, and 6, 4. Yes. 6, 4, 0, 13, 0, 0, and 8, 0. Now, going back to our paper, what is the profit function? Well, they told us about these like emeralds and what? Yeah, emeralds for each one of those. So 8x plus 5y is going to be your profit. 8x plus 5y, right? Everybody see why I got that? Exactly. Okay. So go ahead and plug those in and tell me which one you maximize. 6, 4. We all concluded on that? Okay, so you plug in each one of those points and 6 axes and 4 swords would make the most. How much does it make? 68. Okay. Good. 0, 0 should have probably given you 0. 0, 13. And then, I don't remember the last one. 8, 0. Okay, cool. Questions, comments, concerns? Flip. So the only thing that you need to change on here, because I didn't write this, is this one needs to be crossbow, not sword. Okay. So again, we underline the important thing. You got sticks and string. Sticks and string. 39 sticks, 36 pieces of string. So what are we talking about? So 3x plus 3y is less than or equal to 39 would be your first one. Okay. Then you've got 3x plus 2y is less than or equal to 36. And then you got these other 3 blanks, right? Well, we know x has to be greater than 0. Oh, yeah, it gets worse. Y is greater than or equal to 0 because you can't have negative crossbows and bows, right? Okay, but they did tell us a little more information. He only has enough to make at most 6 crossbows. Crossbows is Y on my paper. If you flip them, that's okay. So Y is going to be less than or equal to 6. Grab your constraints. Grab your constraints. No. No. All right. What are your vertices? Okay. 06. Okay. 76. Okay. Okay. Anybody disagree? You gotta verify. Dang. All right. So your profit function would be 2x plus 3y. That's talking about the emeralds. Now, which one of these maximizes your function? What? 10, 13, 10, 3? 10, 3? Okay, so 10 bows and 3 crossbows would maximize your profit. All right, so second period is a liar. It should actually be 7, 6. What?